Are you an influencer struggling to grow your online business through social media? Are you tired of selling through DM and sending QR to customers to receive payments? It's time to switch to Kwikcart. With Kwikcart, you can create beautiful high-converting websites like this in minutes, and that too without ever having to write a single line of code. Simply choose a design from thousands of pre-made high-converting templates. Or, design your own using an easy-to-use, drag-and-drop website builder. Get your website up and running in minutes, and integrate multiple payment gateways to automatically capture payments from your customers, with zero transaction charges. Gone are the days of dealing with every single customer individually, and filling the spreadsheets with customer data and transaction history manually. Now you can automate your sales process with real-time customer data and buying patterns that you can leverage for your future marketing campaigns, so you can spend less time in DMs dealing with customers and more time growing your business. Many websites built on Kwikcart are making big bucks already, from e-commerce stores to online courses. Selling online has become a breeze with Kwikcart, and now is the time to turn your idea into a scalable e-commerce business. Start selling with Kwikcart today.